If the older generation of the Citroen C5 goes to economy mode and won't start, there are basically two culprits for such behavior. First of all, this may be a dying 12-volt battery. Very often, voltage dropping in the system causes the battery management system to put the car into economy mode. No one knows why it does it. Probably it's just a glitch in the software. And yes, you can reset the economy mode by disconnecting the battery and then properly waking up the car when it's connected. But once you try to start the vehicle, the same thing happens again. So checking the battery with a good load tester will be of great help to rule out problems with voltage. But if the battery is good, the second very common culprit of such behavior of your C5 is the dead starter or starter solenoid. When it's stuck or there are serious electrical problems inside the starter motor, the voltage in the system drops heavily and you will eventually see the economy mode engaging, and of course the engine will not crank. In this case, starter replacement does the trick and solves the problem. Of course, before you buy the new starter, resetting the BSI by disconnecting the battery is a very good idea to try and bring the car back to life.